Hello CoinEngineer, welcome back again and again to our CoinEngineer channel. Today we are going fastly to our newcomer waitlist, and then right now, if I'm not mistaken, we are at our ninth video, and right now I'm also placed to explain you how can you withdraw your crypto from Binance to other browser wallets. Let's get started. First of all, as you can see right now, I am at the Binance main menu, and right now we are seeing Metamask, Kepler, Unisat, Phantom Wallet, or where can I find, for example, Ronin Wallet, and yeah, I think Backwave Wallet, and I think that's enough because they are full of them, which I showed you at the among of my extensions at my Google. They hold of absolutely they are just browser wallet and Web3 wallet. For example, MetaMask is one of the popular, and I think it's the most popular Web3 wallet. And then right now you are seeing I'm at MetaMask, and I'm using a lot of chain because I need really that. For example, Ethereum mainnet, it's a little bit expensive. That's why we can use Arbitrum, for example. Yes, as you can see, I have a little bit coins into the year, just import, doesn't matter. And then how can we withdraw our crypto, not fiat? If you wanna learn how can you withdraw your own fiat crypto to your own browser wallet, you can find it out our playlist. If I'm not mistaken, it can be fourth video, doesn't matter. Just first of all, click the overview, and then you will see added there your own estimated balance, your own assets, and then you will see deposit, withdraw, transfer. We absolutely need to withdraw. And you are seeing we are at the withdrawing page. Select coin, withdraw to address or Binance user. We absolutely don't need to send Binance user, because if we are sending any other Binance user, we can't can't withdraw our crypto from Binance platform, because Binance user are already at the Binance, and that's why it's such normal and easy. And right now we just need to do, for example, MetaMask, and which network I need to withdraw. Yes, Arbitrum. Click our address. For example, we need to withdraw Ethereum, and we automatically pass our copied address to there and select network, Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Base, Arbitrum 1. Yes, we need to use Ethereum, and we need to withdraw some Ethereums from our Binance to Arbitrum, where the Arbitrum wallet address is placed on the MetaMask. And then we need to click maximum, and yes, we can't withdraw because our, if I'm not mistaken, minimum amount is 0. Wow, 0.00008, but right now our maximum amount is 0.202020 and 31. That's not matter. And then you will click withdraw, and then even we can do it with USDT. Yes, why not? Click Arbitrum again, and in general, to make a long story short and to make it easy, just select your own coin. For example, you have USDT to see at your MetaMask at Arbitrum, and then first of all open your MetaMask and copy to clipboard, and then just imagine there's no any address, enter it, and control V, use control plus V, pass into their address area, and then choose Arbitrum 1 because where we want to see our crypto. Yes, Arbitrum, and as you can see, Arbitrum, and then contract address ending in FCVV9. Yes, and then we are clicking, for example, 10 USDT, and we need to pay 10 cents as a commission fee, and we will get, after a little bit waiting, click withdraw, and then you will see address. That's correct. Just check. Network Arbitrum amount 10 USD, received 9.9, fee is 0.9, source spot wallet. Yes, our 10 USDT withdrawal from spot wallet, our spot wallet, at the Binance, and then will be sent to Arbitrum network, where we can see it at our MetaMask as a browser wallet. And then click continue. Pass your over. If you have not KYC verification, please first of all pass your own KYC verification. It's so easy and simple, and you can use our videos at this playlist, and then click continue and pass authorization. If I'm not mistaken, you will need to pass email code or authorization, Google Authenticator app code. That's it. And then automatically, probably 30 after 30 seconds or 40 seconds, you will see your own USDT or other cryptocurrencies, your own browser wallet. And the same method goes for other wallet. For example, Kepler. Just click, open. For example, we wanna receive some TIA added here. Just first of all, found the Celestia and then click, and then we need to get and then the method is the same. First of all, pass address, the network is just post memo. And right now, don't forget that if you are send your own asset or TIA, for example, from Binance, I mean from centralized exchange to browser wallet, I mean Kepler, you don't need to pass memo. But instead of that, vice versa, for example, if you want to transfer your assets from your own browser wallet, for example, from Kepler to Binance or other alternative central exchange, you absolutely need to enter, you absolutely need to pass your own memo. On the other hand, you can't find your own assets, and then just put the address minimum 0.4. Yes, we have no available balance, and then you will get 0.9, and after withdrawal and passing some security authorizations, you will be able to see your own assets, which was 0.9 at your balance among your wallets, not at there. Yes, at there. Because why we can see our TIAs at there? Because that's the TIA on Stargaze network, but that is the TIA on Celestia. We are using TIA Celestia network and TIA on Celestia as a cryptocurrency TIA. If we are choosing, or if you are seeing TIA Stargaze, which one is not able to withdraw on Stargaze from Binance, yes, absolutely, you will see your own TIA balance added there. Yes, that's it. You are seeing such a easy, such a simple method you can use. Just withdraw your own cryptocurrency from Binance or other central exchange, because same method goes for every central exchange, at least for major central exchange like Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase, or other things. And then yes, that's it. If especially you are newcomer and you had already learned a lot of things about withdrawing your own crypto assets from central exchange and especially from Binance, don't forget to subscribe our channel, smash the like button, and in general support finding from below of this video, I mean at the description of this video, our social media links. Yes, that's it. See you on the next bullish time.